Today, we're going to Rose Creek Mine to find gems. Look what I found, guys. Look what I found. This is so cool. Fool's gold. I found an amethyst already.
That is tourmaline.
That's what they usually.
Wow, that's a ruby?
Garnets, yeah. It's probably 40 carats, somewhere around there. Yeah, that's really special.
Here's the gems we found.
So we have Unakite, Rose Quartz, Tourmaline, Citrine, Garnet, which is similar to Ruby. We have Ruby here. I know it's pretty dirty, but once we cut it, it'll be awesome. We have Amethyst, we have Topaz, and we have Quartz Crystal. Make sure to tune in next video where we cut this ruby.